Hi, my name is Walter. I'm in 3rd grade and I'm in Miss Bryant's class. And for my GT project, I was studying the different physical properties of the rocks in my collection. And I learned 3 ways to test that: the hardness test, the magnetism test, and the acid test. And the first test I did was the magnetism test, which where you try to pick up a rock with a magnet, and if it is picked up, then it's magnetic. So first I did this rock, and it wasn't picked up. And then I did this rock, and it was picked up. So this is probably magnetite. And then I learned about the hardness test. And the hardness test is where you, like, say I think I have calcite, and I want to scratch it with a fingernail and a penny. A fingernail has a hardness of 2.5, and a penny has a hardness of 3.5. 1 being the least and 10 being the greatest hardness. And I scratched it with a fingernail, and it wasn't scratched. And then I scratched it with a penny, and that was scratched. So it's a hardness of around, which means my rock is a hardness of around 3. So it might be calcite. But how can I confirm that it's calcite? Because calcite isn't the only rock that is a hardness of 3. I can do the acid test. So the acid test is where you get an acid. I use vinegar, which is a weak acid, and you put a drop of that acid on your rock, and if it fizzes, then it has calcium carbonate in it, and I know that because calcium carbonate is unstable in the presence of acid. So I had this rock that I just tested with, and I had another rock that looks just like it, and I wanted to know which one was calcite. So, which one might be calcite. So I put each one in the acid, and this one ended up fizzing. So this is going to be calcite. And that was my GT project.